Good morning, everyone. Let's look at the section 4 of Unit 6. If a beautiful poem is there, the poem is between a father and the son. You know, children, when you are growing up from childhood to teenager, your parents' advice means a lot for you. Why I am telling you that? Because you are not mature today. The little bit childishness is remaining in you each and every way. Whatever you are talking, you are behaving, or uh, the way you are behaving with others, all it reflects the lessons given by your parents to you. In this beautiful poem, we are going to have the conversation between a father and the son. So, before beginning the poem, let's look at the word meaning of this poem. See the first one, allowance. Allowance means the amount of something that is permitted, specially within a set of regulation or for a specified purpose. Allowance. If any kind of freedom is given to you, any benefit, any special benefit is given to you, that is the meaning of allowance. Then after, disaster. Disaster means an accident such as a fire or flood that kills a lot of people or causes a lot of damage. Disaster. Do you know the names of natural disasters? There are many: tsunami, earthquake, flood, droughts, cyclone, hurricane, etc. Then after, doubting. Doubting means a feeling of uncertainty. When you have doubt on someone, that is called doubting. Then after, foe. Foe means an enemy, right? Hating. Hating means have the feeling of dislike, have a strong dislike or aversion for something. Something you do not like, that means you are hating. Imposters. Imposters means people who pretend to be someone else to trick the people. You know, children, many times people are behaving that they are very kind for you, but actually it is not so. Maybe they are trying to behave what they are not actually. So, don't trust such kind of people. Then after, nouse. Nouse means dishonest boys or men. Nouse. Pitch and toss. Pitch and toss means a gamble in which the player who manages to throw a coin closest to a mark gets to toss all the coins within those that land with head up. So it is a kind of game, we can say. Sensitive, yes, full of feeling, right? Aware of and able to understand other people and their feeling. Such kind of people are said to be sensitive. Now you just check yourself whether you are sensitive or not. If you can feel the pain of others, if you can understand the feelings of others, your friends, your family, XYZ, that means you are a sensitive person. Then after, sinew. Sinew means a strong band of tissue in the body that joins a muscle to the bone. Right? We can say a tissue which joins in the body that joins a muscle to a bone. Then after, stoop. Stoop means to bend. To bend the body forward and downward. Or another meaning is to stand or walk with your head and shoulder bent forwards. Then after, triumph. Triumph means a victory, a great success, achievement or victory. Then after, unforgiving. Unforgiving means unwilling to forgive other people. But this should not be there. We should always be ready to forgive others because it is a great value given by Jesus Christ to us. Then after, virtue. Yes, virtue means behavior or attitude that shows high moral standards. And my dear children, your all virtues most probably you are getting from your family, from your parents, from your grandparents, right? So we must have good virtues. Let's start the poem. if. Use the smart board to appreciate this poem, which is sensitive piece. For reading, a father telling his son to face all odds and be a man. All odds means what, beta? Odds means difficulty. A father is telling to his son that whenever any difficulties is coming to your way, do not react to that difficulty. Always try to take something good lesson from that difficulty, from that odds. So that is the meaning of odds. Let's start the beautiful poem, If. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. What is the meaning of keep your head? Keep your head means what? If you can keep calm, right? When all are just opposite to you, they are not favoring you, they are not on your side. But certain situation is there when all are at the opposite side and you are all alone. All are ready to blame on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt on you, right? You must have trust on yourself. You must have confidence on yourself. That may be possible. Other people are doubting on you. They do not trust on you. But my dear children, you must keep the trust, must keep the faith on yourself. But make allowance for their doubting too. We must keep the way for others to have doubt on us. What is wrong in that? When they will realize that they are wrong and you are true, automatically they will be on your side. It may take time. See children, to prove something, it may take time. But once it is proved that you are innocent, you are right, definitely people will appreciate you. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting. See, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being lied about, if you are speaking untrue words, you are not speaking truth. So, don't deal in lies. If your work is not done by your truth, you should not take the side of, you should not take the help of untrue words. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. Or being hated, if somebody is hating you, if somebody has bad feeling for you, you do not keep bad feeling for others. And yet, don't look too good, not talk too wise. Just to prove yourself that you are good enough, you are right. Don't try to be very smart or very good. Sorry. Don't talk too much nice way. You know beta, when certain people's habit are there, just to prove that they are good, you may have feel that with your friend circle also. Some people are not really good, just they are trying to be good with you by butter polishing, by speaking good words about you. But my dear children, you should not take this way just to be good for others. If you are right, you are not doing any bad thing, that means automatically people will like you. You should not have to do any butter polishes or talk something good words also, right? Next is, if you can dream and not make dreams your master. We all have dreams to be something, to achieve something, but we should not allow our dreams to be our master. It should not happen that your dream will drive you, right? If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. If you can meet with triumph and disaster. If you can achieve some victory or somewhere you have to defeat. And treat those two imposter just the same. Imposter, people who dislike you, right? Whichever may be the situation, you must continue your good work. You should not just wait for people to appreciate you. You should not wait for people to speak good words about you. All the situation here, the poet wants to tell you beta that Whatever the situation is there, good or bad, you must always be balanced in your life. That is the word I can use for that, a balance between the thoughts and dreams. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by nerves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. Here, I would like to say that whatever dream you have seen or whatever achievement you want to get in your life, it may possible that people may oppose you, people may trying to pull your leg so that you will come back, you may come down or you have to bend sometime. Never mind. I'm telling you that never mind for such kind of people. They may just underestimate you. But do you think, children, that anybody can hide the sun? Yes, I'm using anybody can hide the sun. The sun has its own light, and if sun is there, there is no another artificial light is needed. So here I would like to say that you must try to shine yourself just like the sun, right? So that you no need other people's light to blow in your life. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on 1 ton of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long, it is sinew, to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on where there is nothing in you except the will which says them hold on. Right? Here what father is telling, beta? The father is telling that you have to do very much hard work, right? You have certain dream. Your parents have also seen certain dreams for you. It may possible that everything will not come easily on your hand. For that, you have to do all your best out of best to get your dream come true. So, child, this is there. What you do not have to lose? One word is given here, a beautiful word, will. Your will be the power for you, power booster for you, and it will only tell you every time that don't lose, just hold on. I would like to say we should never give up. From this particular paragraph, I can explain you the very one good sentence only, that we should never give up our dream. Whatever may be the circumstances, whatever difficulties we have to face in our life, but my dear children, you should never lose your heart. You always be ready to face any types of odds in your life, but the one dream which you have seen for you and for your family, you must keep on going on them. That here the poet in the form of father wants to tell you. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, if you can talk with the crowds means number of people, and keep your virtues, whatever lesson given to you by your parents, you must keep that. Or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch. If neither foes means enemy, nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can feel the unforgiving minutes with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Right? A beautiful lines are given here. Just try to read these lines once again. What father is telling you, beta? You may be a successful person in your life, right? You might be sitting with kings, big delegates, You might be having dinner with them, and you would have talking with common people also. If you can digest your insults, and then also you just make the balance in your virtues, that means you are the true man, you are the true hero for your mother, right? The story is between father and the son, but I would like to say you will be the idol for your mother if you will keep on doing your work, what is suggested to you, right? Whatever the virtues are given to you. Virtues means what, beta? Good lesson, how you should behave, how you should deal with others. That is only virtue. Virtue doesn't have any other meaning. So the poet, the father, and as a mother, I would like to say that, beta, if you will be on what you have taught to do, that means you are the real hero, not only for your father but also for your mother. So all the very best, children. I hope that you have learned many good things from this lesson. Okay, after this I will send you the exercise. Enjoy the video and do the exercise. Thank you very much.